Yo, 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 yo. It's your boy Square Bear. And today we've got something different because I am in NFL All Day Early Access, and I was lucky enough to get one of 432 of the first drop of the premium pack.
Hey, yo!
Are we out here?
Bing bong!
About to crack this pack open. Let me pull up some tunes from the boy Rue Are You. The song is called Glow For Me. That's one of my favorite instrumentals to use on stream. Oh, I wonder if there's going to be some NFL All Day music. Yeah, let's crack this pack open. Let's hope for a legendary. Specifically, let's get a George Kittle legendary. But that's asking for too much. I'm just glad I got a pack, you know what I mean? So, yeah, let's get it. Oh, interesting. So the pack is on chain, and then they do a pop-up. So the coding for this is entirely different than NBA TopShot. They built this site from the ground up, so it's entirely different. Yeah, we're on and popping. Can't wait to see this pack open. I'm stoked. Ba-ba-da-dum. So much wild stuff has been happening today in the NFT realm, the NFT universe. We got this NFL All Day pack drop. Oh, let's go. Oh, it's rumbling. Oh, let's go. Wow, it has the exact same music as Top Shot? Okay. That's kind of sad, I'm not gonna lie. What if... I wonder if they have game audio in the moment. Let's find out. This is Vita Vea. Oh, it's Ndamukong Suh. Alright, so still no in-game audio. Oh, that is a nice sack. Oh, we got the combo. We got the combo sack, Ndamukong Suh and Vita Vea on the other side. Let's go. I definitely still think the Bucks are the favorite right now. I mean, like, Tom Brady is probably still the favorite for MVP too. But I didn't see... Oh, it's just a rare. Dang, that sucks. I was hoping for a legendary. Is this another Ndamukong Suh? Uh-oh. Did my pack break? Oh no. Not in the mid. No. What happened? No. No! It spoiled it for me. Damn it! Oh, that's so sad. Oh, that's so sad. It spoiled it for me. It's okay. Do I still get to open it? No, I don't. Alright, so these are the packs that I got. Or this is the pack that I got. I got two Ndamukong Suhs, one 6,001, one 9,442. I've got a Desir forced fumble, also a buck. And then we have the Xavier Howard interception. This one is really good. Serial number 158. Oh, it's against the Giants, man, of course. Give me that. Xavier Howard, too good. Okay. Dang, that really sucks about that pack opening, but that's fine. I'm okay with opening all defense. That is what I like anyways. Like, so yeah, this is my pack right here. Thank you guys for watching whatever whatever part of it you're able to watch. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this video as an unlisted video on YouTube, so that way I can share it within the NFL All Day closed beta circle. But I'm not gonna let this out in the public until they let it free. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a dope rest of your day. NFL All Day.